Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free preventive care services, follow these step-by-step instructions to take advantage of mandated coverage. Step 1. Understand that the Affordable Care Act requires most insurance plans to cover preventive services at no cost. This includes screenings, vaccines, and counseling services. Step 2. Schedule your annual wellness visit with your primary care doctor. This preventive appointment is completely free and includes health assessments, screenings, and personalized prevention planning. Step 3. Get age-appropriate cancer screenings without copays. This includes mammograms, colonoscopies, cervical cancer screening, and lung cancer screening for high-risk individuals. Step 4. Receive recommended immunizations at no cost. Vaccines for flu, pneumonia, shingles, HPV, and others are covered as preventive care under most insurance plans. Step 5. Access cardiovascular disease screenings for free. Blood pressure checks, cholesterol tests, and screening for diabetes and obesity are covered preventive services. Step 6. Women can receive preventive services, including well woman visits, contraception, prenatal care, and breastfeeding support without cost sharing under the law. Step 7. Children receive comprehensive preventive care, including regular checkups, immunizations, developmental screenings, and vision and hearing tests at no cost to families. Step 8. Confirm services will be billed as preventive care before your appointment. Ask your doctor's office to code services correctly to ensure you won't face unexpected charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.